Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.
The latest rumor out of Japan's ever-imaginative automotive media has occasional partners Nissan and Mercedes-Benz pulling a Toyota BMW, replacing the aging 370Z and Mercedes-Benz SLC-Class with a new shared vehicle the same way the BMW Z4 is being replaced with a car that will also be known as the Toyota Supra. It's a nice idea, especially for Z car fans, but it's not happening. It's not all wishful thinking, though. According to our sources, Mercedes-Benz and Nissan really did talk about it, but the talks never went anywhere. As I reported in our May issue, the Mercedes-Benz SLC-Class Roadster is being put out to pasture, and without it, there's no deal with Nissan for a new 370Z. For what it's worth, Mercedes-Benz also talked to the French side of the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi Alliance about a tie-up but got no further with their geographical neighbors than they did with the guys on the other side of the planet. The problem is simple math: the convertible segment is shrinking fast, and it was never big to begin with. We've heard it from executives and engineers at companies around the world. Even uber-profitable Porsche is wringing its hands over the future of the 718 Boxster and Cayman. Neither Toyota nor BMW could independently justify the cost of an all-new Roadster that's barely going to register on the sales charts each month, and neither can Nissan or Mercedes-Benz. None of these companies are hurting for resources, but they have shareholders to answer to. Nissan's planning boss said as much to Automotive News back in January. The Z is a difficult market, Philippe Klein said. It is rather shrinking worldwide. It's not like they didn't try to make a go of it, either. Our sources at Mercedes say the company has looked into twinning the SLC with the SL and putting both cars on a new aluminum-intensive platform developed by AMG, but it didn't pencil. Instead, the SLC dies and the SL gets paired with the next-generation AMG GT. The GT, being the spiritual successor of the original 300 SL anyway at this point, will remain the sports car while the SL grows a bit to fit a pair of semi-usable rear seats. Becoming a 2+2 will help the SL slot between the smaller, sportier GT and the larger, more luxurious S-Class coupe/convertible. As for Nissan, Klein promised Automotive News the Z isn't dead, but he indicated it will be a long time before we see an all-new one. Further, he suggested for the midterm the car would be kept alive, but that's it. Even his comments on the car's long-term prospects weren't reassuring, with lots of ifs and hows and whats. For the long term, there are other considerations, he said. If we do a complete new vehicle, what should it be to keep the passion alive? And we're working very seriously on this, how we can keep the Z alive and refreshing, and what would be the next generation.
Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.